What the fuck? We're talking to birds.
Stay back. Stay back.
Dude, I got it on video. Dude, I got it on video. Hey, buddy. He's got red eyes. Oh, he's not messing with me. Dude, this is crazy. I got it on video. What is going on right now? He must be hurt. Unless this is a glitch. Dude. Oh, his wing is cut. Is his wing cut?
It looks like it.
His wing is cut and ripped off. Or maybe not. I don't know.
You guys back up a little, please. Fine, back up.
His wings are cut. Somebody cut both his wings in half.
Back up, please.
He just took a shit too. He's scared.
Back up, please.
Dude, I got this on video. Get me on video too. I want to see me on video. This shit's crazy, right? What the fuck is that thing?
Go back. Can you go back, please?
Hold on, let me get on video.
Rico.
What?
Go back, please.
Go back where?
Like over there. Like, take about 5-6 steps back.
That bird's got to die. His wings are cut.
I know, that's why we gotta take 5-6 steps back. It's not you, Rico. Take 5-6 steps back.
I'm just saying we should kill it.
No, I don't.
We should kill it. It's gonna die and suffer. Its wings are cut, or it would have flew away by now.
I'm gonna take it as a pet before I kill it. It's still
You're right. Are you gonna be able to carry it in your shirt?
I'm trying to ask you guys to move back.
You gotta get your shirt out the bag.
But move back, please. Let him relax. He's scared. Move back.
Shit is crazy.
Back.
Dude, there's people in the woods watching us. Like, what the fuck are those guys doing? I heard somebody coughing over there. Maybe that person coughing in the woods is the one who killed it.
Move back. It'll be okay.
Get him on video. Don't.
Are you guys gonna listen to me?
I want to see it too.
I'm not trying to say you can't see it. It's gonna be my pet if I take it. You're gonna see it all the time. Just give me a second. Are you gonna listen to me or no? Ask one more time. Take 3 steps back.
Speak back. Dude, we're good. We're not doing nothing wrong. Why y'all scared?
What up, man? Baby cake.
We're in the desert.
Fucking snowing out here.
Not really the desert, but some crazy bird. We just came out of the woods and what?
Let's get the color.
Crazy birds. Oh, that looks nice.
Can you see the nights?
But there's some crazy birds out there making noise. I think he's got his wings cut off or something, or he would have flew away. He just came out here and he was making all these noises. Yeah, it could. It could be like 6 minutes like YouTube. But that's enough.